to all those who devoted their lives to aviation. The Wings of Russia studio presents. Wings of Russia documentary. George Washington, the first nuclear submarine, was commissioned in the USA in February 1959. It could carry 16 ballistic missiles. The main task for the Soviet Navy was not to lose sight of the menacing enemy. Its submarines were fast and quiet. But the need was in a hunter with a sensitive ear, sharp side, and a powerful destructive capability. A deck-based helicopter could perform the role of such a vengeful harpoon. The Kamov's coaxial rotor helicopters, indifferent to side winds, were most suitable for deck basing. Nikolai Kamov developed his Ka-25 anti-submarine helicopter with the total support of the Navy's Supreme Commander, Sergei Gorshkov. Indeed, only Kamov managed to bring the rare and very complicated coaxial layout to perfection in his ship-based Ka-25. Achievements in helicopter construction were demonstrated not only at international exhibitions. At rendezvous of the Soviet and American Navy ships in the Mediterranean Sea, they could not help but exchanging helicopter curtsy. There you are, a Sea Sprite anti-submarine helicopter takes off from an aircraft carrier. In response, Ka-25 submarine Hunter starts off from the deck of the aircraft-carrying cruiser to perform a demo flight. Ka-25 was good at discovering submarines, but the potential enemy developed new submarines with greater diving and lesser noise level. A qualitatively new helicopter equipment was required to hunt and destroy them, and helicopters were supposed to cover a wider patrol area. In 1970, the Kamov Design Bureau received an order for a new anti-submarine helicopter. Since it was supposed to be deck-based, its dimensions had to be no bigger than those of its predecessor. This machine became the last for Nikolai Kamov. After his death, the Bureau was headed by Sergei Mikheyev. Under his supervision, works on Ka-27 continued. The team fulfilled the task. This helicopter was commissioned in 1979. Ship-based in groups and as a single unit, these helicopters are still in service. Ka-27 take part in long-range crusades with real search and tracking of potential enemy submarines.
See reflections on the water, more than darkness in the depths. See him surface and never a shadow. On the winds I feel his breath. Golden eye found his weakness. Golden eye will do what I please. Golden eye, no time for sweetness, but a bitter kiss will bring him to his knees. You'll never know how I watched you from the shadows as a child. You'll never know how it feels to be the one who's left behind. You'll never know the days and nights, the tears I've cried. But now my time has come, and time is not on your side. See him move through smoke and mirrors. Feel his presence in the crowd. Other girls, they gather around him. If I had him, I wouldn't let him out. Golden eye, not lace or leather. Golden chain, take him to the spot. Golden eye, I'll show him forever. It'll take forever to see what I've got. You'll never know how I watched you from the shadows as a child. You'll never know how it feels to get so close and be denied.